How to order from Walmart. Welcome to the channel and let's start with the tutorial. First and foremost, open up a browser in your preferred device and in the URL address search for walmart.com. You'll be redirected to the official homepage of Walmart. To order up an item from Walmart, just select the item that you want to purchase. It will give you the product description right here when you are trying to add it to the cart. Once you are done with the selection of the size, colors and quantity, you can just go ahead and tap on the Add to Cart bubble. Once you tap on Add to Cart, now to check out, you can simply go ahead and tap on the cart icon at the very top. Or just go ahead and select View Cart. In here, it will let you know when it will be delivered to your doorstep as well. Now you can just go ahead and pick up any of the option to the delivery option as well, or you can shop more from this page. If you are done ordering up, just go ahead and select the option of continue to checkout. Log into your Walmart if you have not to further continue with the payment process. Once you are done with the payment, your order will be delivered on your doorstep pretty easily. Isn't it simple? So make sure to go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for tuning in.